In this video, we're going to create a beautiful looking signature for our emails or Gmails so that when we reply to our customer or when we send emails to our customer, all of our awesome details look like this. So join me, let's do this. Creators and entrepreneurs to African Multi-Design, the channel dedicated to bringing your business online and making you thrive and become successful online. My name is Zanele if we're meeting for the very first time. Today we're going to do a stunning email signature that looks like that, and we're going to apply it to your email so that when you're sending emails you look amazing and awesome. We're going to use our tool Canva, and the link is going to be on the description below. Also take note, I will put a timeline on the steps that we're going to be following in order to create this awesome looking email signature. So you can go to the description below and you jump to exactly where you need to be. So how you start this, you open an Instagram post or any of these posts, because we would like to customize the look. We're not going to use Instagram today. So once you've opened a new Canva, you're going to go to File and you're going to go Create New. And you're going to customize the size. So the size width, you're going to look for 600. The height, we're going to make it a 200 height. And you're going to create a new design. And click on our elements and we're going to search and we're going to look for frames. So if you would like to have a picture of yourself like me, you can choose a round frame. If you'd like to use your actual logo, for example, the business logo, you can use a square frame. I'm going to carry on and use the round frame, and I'm going to put it in the middle there and drag it, make it a little bit bigger. Perfect. Now we're going to go to our text and we're going to add text. And we're gonna call me social lady C, and we're gonna customize this nicely using a nice bold font. So I'm gonna change color to our brand, and we're gonna put in a nice line over there, and we're gonna size the line at 3 so that it's not that thick, and we'll leave it as black. And we're gonna go to text and we're gonna add more text because we want to tell people what we do. Let's make our text black and let's make it the Bukhari, and we tell people what we do. So this is you customizing your own email signature to suit whatever you do for your business. Perfect. Now we're going to add our email, another text, info at design. Let's see what it says. I actually think I want this a little bit bigger and I want it a little bit bold. Great stuff. Now it's time for us to add our social media platforms. So we're going to add all of them and we're going to size them. So I'm going to add all of the social media. I'll fast forward and then you can join me when I'm done adding the social media icons. And we change color for Twitter. We make it black. You actually can change all of these icons and you can make them whatever color you want. Happy with that. And we'll add our social media handle. And there you go, it's done. So the social media links, I wanted to talk about that. If you wanted to add a link for TikTok, for example, you would use that icon and you type in your TikTok link over there and apply. And then if you were downloading it as a PDF, the person would be able to click on it. Picture, you can't do that. Now we just want to add our picture there. So I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to look for my picture that I would like to use. I'll just scroll down to the one that I would like to use. This one. You click and you hold and you drag it and then you just drop it in there. Email signature is done. If you are using a free version of Canva, you are not able to download this with a transparent. It comes with a background, so it needs to be transparent in order for us to use it on our Gmail account. So because we don't have a paid version, I can't use that option. I'm going to download it as a PNG, and once it has downloaded, I'm going to go to remove PNG and I'm going to remove the background because I need to take off the background. Even though it's white, I need the background to be transparent like that in order for me to upload it on our Gmail account. There we go. It has downloaded. Now the last step you're going to do, you're going to go to your emails. And once you get to your emails, you're going to put in your signature by settings. So you're going to click on settings and you're going to click on see all settings. And then it lands on the general tab. All you do, you scroll down until you find the signature. Over there, there's the signature. This is what we want to set. At the moment, there are no signatures. We want to create a brand new signature. We'll call it Zanele and we click on create. And then it opens like that. Now we want to upload or insert that transparent picture that we've downloaded. So you're going to go where it says insert image. And then you're going to go to your uploads. And you just drag the picture to your uploads, the transparent picture, and then it will upload like that. And you're happy, and you're gonna scroll down. Once you get to this part, you need to tell Google or Gmail, I want to use this signature that I've just uploaded that's called Zanele. I want to use it for my new emails. Every time I send an email, I want you to pick that email. If you want to have a different reply signature, you can create a different signature over there and call it maybe a Zanele 2. Maybe it doesn't have a picture, I don't know. You decide whatever you want to do there. But for me, I'm happy to use both new and reply, the Zanele signature I just loaded. You're almost done. You're going to scroll down to this button that says Save Changes. And you click on Save Changes. Once we want to test it, we're going to click on Compose. The signature automatically displays. Then you can start typing to your customers and your email signature is set. Every time you want to make changes, you follow the same process. You go to your settings and you click on Edit, and then you can change it from there. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate the time that you spend with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't only help our channel, but it helps all these other small business owners who need our help. And I'll see you on the next video.